welcome back to Mr. Fox Explains. I'm your host, Mr. Fox, and why the hell is it not focusing on what's meant to focus on? Give me a say. Oh yeah, there you go. So this is my second upload of this week, and today we're going to be discussing about quadratic equation, a really important topic in maths because this applies literally everywhere in trigonometry, polynomials, similar triangles, geometry, coordinate geometry, everywhere this is going to be applied. And this is one of the basic topics of maths. I don't know why I just two or three, but you get the point. So the previous video I made was about chemistry, acid bases, and the next video of chemistry might not be coming that soon. I'll try to upload it soon, but for now we are doing this. So a quadratic equation is a equation whose highest degree or the highest power is 2. So like we know that linear equation has the highest power 1, that is like ax plus b, where the highest power of is 1. Now a quadratic equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c highest per b, where a is not equal to 0 and a belongs to real numbers. So this is the basic about quadratic equation, and it's equated to 0, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a belongs to real numbers. So this is a quadratic equation. Now where does it help? Simply everywhere. It helps in finding the area of something, and quadratic equation is applied literally everywhere in maths. It's like the ticket to the infinity, if that makes sense. My sense of humor is broken, but now we're going to be discussing about zeros of a quadratic equation, or you can also call it zeros or roots, in which ax square plus bx plus c, x is alpha or beta such that a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. A value of x which satisfies the statement ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now these roots have mainly are taken alpha and beta. We take others like mn, gamma, theta, all of that, but mostly it's alpha and beta. Now the important thing here is to know how these roots can be used. Like the main thing that needs to be known is the value. So we have a formula for that, for finding the x value directly. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. Now this formula has a really long derivation which is not necessary if you ask me. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the value of x for this, or this can be said the value of the roots. Now here it's a plus or a minus, so we can split it into two equations. Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now these two equations, let's call this alpha and let's call this beta. So alpha comma beta here are roots of quadratic equation. Sorry for my miserable spellings. I can't change it. For beta, the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, and I've also seen a lot of guys are saying that I need to keep the camera still or not shake it. Well, I tried it, but I can't help it. But I'm thinking of buying a tripod stand maybe, or books. But That doesn't work as good as it seems. This camera has a bit of a zoomed view, so I can't change it. So I promise I'm gonna change it in a few days, maybe. I don't know. I'll try. I'll try about it. So coming back, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the root, where alpha is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here the denominators are same, so we can just add the numerators. Here plus b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b square minus 2a, so this minus gets cancelled, and then we get minus 2b by 2a. 2 gets cancelled, we get minus b by a. So the sum of the roots is minus b by a. Now coming to alpha beta, that is the multiplication of both, same as here, we get minus into minus plus b square. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, so we get a square minus b square. Here minus of under root of b square minus 4ac whole square by 2a whole square. 2a into 2a, 2a squared. So we get b square minus b square minus 4ac by 4a squared. Now this root and the square gets cancelled. We get b square cancels out. We get 0, and then we have minus 4ac. So outside it's a minus, so then it gets multiplied by the whole. So that becomes a plus 4ac by 4a square. A 4 gets cancelled. A and a square gets cancelled. C by a. So alpha times beta is equal to c by a. These two are the most important equations. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So this is it. This is the entire idea of quadratic equation. And one more thing to say is, any quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, can have a max of only two roots or two solutions, ax square plus bx plus c. Now I'm gonna get a new video on questions, because if we discuss them in a separate video, that would be better compared to this. So I keep dropping my pen. So what we're gonna do next is, I'm gonna bring most probably a physics video, and then we're gonna be going back to chemistry, max. I'm gonna be posting them in the channel, in the community post. You guys can try that. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.